Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 24th of May 2023. At the beginning of the month, we went short natural gas, and last week we actually got stopped out of that short position. As you can see here, we went and closed on a daily chart closing basis above the April high at $2.57, and therefore that trade is no longer active. Then a couple of weeks ago, we went long the Nasdaq 100 and actually cashed in our profits around 154 points. But our upside target was originally 13,720. So it did hit that target later on before coming off again at the moment. So that trade is also no longer running. But a trade which is still running is our long trade from last week on orange juice. As you can see here, the price of orange juice has risen very sharply over the last few days and did so on supply worries. And you can see here yesterday we even briefly touched a new record all-time high. And it looks as if the price of orange juice could head all the way up to around $3. But our outside target at the moment is at $2.90. So this trade is quite profitable so far. And with regards to today's Trading the Trend, what I would like to do is to go long NVIDIA, the chip maker in the US. It's got its earnings out later today, and perhaps on a retracement lower, we could buy into this very strong uptrend. So what we could perhaps do is go long around $293 with a stop loss below the late March lower to $258.50. So this week's Trading the Trend is to go long NVIDIA on a retracement down to around $293 with a stop loss at $258.50 and an upside target of around $330.